Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just finished my breakfast and now I am all set for today's little adventure. We are heading to Tennoji Zoo, so let's go. Right now I am at Yaenosato Station. From here I'll be heading to Nipponbashi Station and then I will change to Sakai-Suji line. My final stop is Dōbutsuen-mae Station. That's where Tennoji Zoo is located. The moment you step out, it's hard to miss. There are signs everywhere leading you straight to the zoo. Makes it super easy even if it's your first time here. We have reached the zoo and just picked off our tickets. Here's the price menu for entry so you can see how affordable it is. Now let's head inside and check out the animals. Well, as we walk around the zoo, you will notice vending machines almost everywhere. Super convenient if you need a quick drink. There are also open cafes and restaurants inside, so you can relax and grab a bite while enjoying the day. It's all well set up to make your visit comfortable and fun. And look at this. I was so happy to see the Himalayan monal here. It's called Dafe in Nepali. It's the national bird of Nepal. I felt really special to see a piece of home all the way here in Japan. It's a rainy day today, so there aren't many tourists around. Usually on weekends like Saturday and Sunday, this place gets really crowded.
It's the love behind the love.
この天王寺動物園にはキリンさんやとっても可愛らしいペンギンさんなどたくさんの動物たちが住んでいます。じゃあ、歌いましょう。
We are feeling pretty hungry now, so it's time to grab some Japanese food. It's a bit cold outside, so a warm meal sounds perfect right now. now out of the zoo and heading back to the train station. Right outside, there are plenty of restaurants and cafes. Many of them are tourist friendly with menus and setups made for visitors. So, if you are still hungry or just want to relax, it's a great spot to stop by. I am on the train right now. On the way, I will stop by Life to grab a few groceries for the week. Then finally heading back home to rest after a lovely day. That's it for today and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.